Hello! Welcome to a new SYNTH anatomy video. Today I want to check out and unbox my latest purchase from Thomann. You heard it right, it's not a review unit, but I purchased this from Thomann because the price was very attractive. It's the Focusrite iTrack Dock Studio Pack. So what is the iTrack Dock? Well, it's a audio interface for the iPad. So you can slide in here the iPad and then use the iPad as a music production studio. Example for recording guitars, for using effects with synthesizers and more. And as you can see, it's everything you need to record music on iPad. It's a complete set here. Before it exists also a single unit, but now they sell it also here with headphones and with the microphones. And for the actual price, of 99 euro, it's, in my opinion, a very attractive price for this bundle. So let's check out. As you can see here, it's again the same. You have here explications: iPad 4th generation, iPad mini and iPad Air, but I'm pretty sure the iPad Air 2 and other iPads works also. It requires iOS version 6.0, and this maybe you can see now the product is a bit old already, so it requires 6.0, what is not a lot. And then you can see here also the interface, we will see this later, and in different languages, and also here what it be. So it's interface, and you have here different inputs, from MIDI inputs, the USB MIDI, and 2 line inputs, 2 mics input, and more. So the key features, everything you need to record on iPad straight away, made for iPad, the sound quality of Focusrite, plug your guitar inside, also your synths not to forget, and it works with core audio apps on iPad. So let's check out. What we have here is, oh, sorry, I don't understand Chinese, so Chinese or Japanese, but this is in Chinese. Why, I don't know. Then we have here a registration for the iDock. Not to forget, if you register an interface at Focusrite, you can benefit also from these free plugins. Then we have here important safety instruction, and you have here the package. First we have here the microphone, which personally I don't expect a lot because it's a free gift, it's included in the bundle, and I don't know if this is great, so let's check it also if it's great or not. Then we have here the headphones. Also from these headphones I don't expect a lot, or don't, because it's a free gift and they feel a bit plastic. So okay, it's leather here, or plastic leather. So then we have here also a mount for the microphone, and this one is heavier, so it's built nice. And you have here for the microphone. Then we have here iTrack Dock. Let's put it on the side here. Let's check out also the different other stuff. Then you have a cable, an XLR cable, what is nice. So thanks for this. And pretty sure we have here a power supply. Yes, power supply. And finally we have here the iTrack Dock. Now on the table here, and as you can see, this is the entire bundle. You get the iTrack Dock, the headphones, the microphone cable, and the power supply. All this currently for 99 euro, what is for me a very attractive price for this bundle. And let's check also here now the interface. You have here gain in and gain 2, so you have 2 inputs, then a direct monitor, then a headphone knob, and this feels very good in my opinion. Then the monitor also, And then you have here the lightning connector, so you can put any iPad with lightning in it. Let's check here my iPad 2018. Let's put it in here. Finding the lightning port. And so it's inside. And as you can see, it's not covered completely. So it's nice for me to have such an interface, but next time I would love to see if it's covered completely. So it's a bit wobbly here, and this must be known. And yes, for me it's fine. I finally can check it out. Then put it out again here. Then checking out here also the outputs or inputs. You have here the power supply input, power in and power out or off. Then you have USB MIDI, and that is for me one critics already. It has only USB MIDI via USB cable, so no with a MIDI cable. This would be cool to see this maybe in iTrack dock too. Then you have here monitor outputs. Then you have two mic inputs, two line inputs, and an instrument in, so for guitars, for example. On the back side here, or on the side here, nothing. And here you have also an headphone output. On the back side here, nothing, only the developer of it, so Focusrite, and the company which built it. And so SYNTH for me, first of all, I think it a bit more heavy, but it's super light and also portable. And I'm very curious to see now in the next 2 weeks, 1 or 2 weeks, how the sound quality of this interface is and how easy I can work with iPad apps, with effects apps, with synthesizers, also with a guitar, and if this really worth to buy for this for €99 currently. So please let me know in the comments below, what do you think about a Focusrite iTrack dock? Do you use it already, or are you also curious to hear my opinion before you buy it? So please let me know in the comments below your opinion. And as usual, if you enjoyed this video, please do a positive thumb and a subscription for more future videos. Big thanks for watching, and I hope to see you very soon in one of the next videos. Bye!